friends, welcome back to my channel. Day 2 of Vlogmas, and this is going to be literally a maintenance vlog, and I'm super excited. I just feel like, you just see your skin, you be like, oh my gosh, whoa, calm down. Skin, why do you look like that? Chill out. I don't feel pretty. Stop. Anyways, day 2 of Vlogmas. It's a maintenance vlog, so we're gonna get our toes done, we're getting our nails done, we're getting our eyebrows done, and we're gonna stop by this store that sells like all different types of perfumes but as oil. So we're gonna bring our perfume with us, see if they have that. I'm actually gonna call to make sure that they have one of my perfumes, because I really want to get my Monique McMichael Sniff Rose Era perfume, see if they have that in the oil to really enhance the smell. So we'll see. I'm excited, so we're gonna find out. So that's what we're gonna be doing on our maintenance vlog, and I'm super excited. But I wanted to come on here, open up the vlog, and then let you guys know also that yesterday I was telling you guys about how my skin is breaking out, and oh my gosh, I don't know what to do, and like I have to go to the dermatologist. So I went to my dermatologist, except for my dermatologist is out, so I was just like, okay, let me just see my primary care physician. So I went to go see my primary care physician. That was good, but it really wasn't, so it wasn't good. Okay, that's better. So I went to go see my primary care physician, and it was good, but like it really wasn't though. And it was good because I was able to get in because my dermatologist is not gonna be in, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like and she won't be in for the next 2 weeks. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like I have a rash on my face. I need to see somebody. Like we're literally about to unlock ultimate baddie level. In order to do that, you need the skin gotta get cleared up. Okay, like not this is too much, like too much. It's itchy, it's uncomfortable. I'm not happy. Something's wrong. We gotta do something about it. So called up there. There was like, Casey dermatologist was like, okay, well, I need to do something. I have a rash on my face. It's been 3 days now. Like, what can we do? So she's like, okay, come in and see your primary care. See my primary care. So I was good. I was able to see somebody, but she wasn't helpful at all. She didn't, but she was just like, oh, well, I see before that they gave you a steroid, but I had to tell her what they gave me before. Okay, I'm all over the place, but let's talk about it because this is my brain. This is how my brain works. Basically, what happened was, 4 years ago in 2021, I had got this rash. I went to Florida. I went to go see my bestie. I was in Florida, and I randomly woke up. My face was all puffy. Maybe in a certain picture, I might not, because it's a lot, honestly. My face was puffy, and like gradually over the days, it just got worse, and it got like this. Oh, sorry, y'all. Let me just. Okay, do you see that? Like that's not. It's texture, but it's not normal texture in a sense of like. My skin on a regular doesn't do that. And I know I've been having like a lot of skin issues this year, but on a regular, my skin doesn't do that. So it's 4 years ago. I go to the doctor. They said something, I can't remember what they said, but they gave me like 2 creams. One was like a steroid, the other one was topical. Cleared it on up. Okay, cool. Haven't had no issue since. Now, fast forward to 2025. A whole bunch has happened since then. Fast forward to 2025. I wake up, I'm like, oh. It's been so long. Like, I just want to breathe. Like, why this gotta happen to me right now? And I'm getting ready to unlock baddie mode. Like, ultimate me mode. So anyways, I wake up, it happens, it's 3 days, it's kind of progressively worse. So I'm like, okay, let me go see the doctor. So I get there, dermatologist out, I have to see primary care physician. Okay, cool. I see her, I'm not even seeing my regular lady, I'm seeing somebody else because it's a last minute appointment, I got in. Okay, so I get in, I'm talking to her, I was like, yeah, this happened to me in 2021. She's looking, she's like, oh, well, I didn't see anything here. It's saying here that she took you off whatever medication you were on. Okay, so look a little further then. If I would stop using the medication, look a little further to see where the medication is. Okay. She looks, she says, oh, I do see it. I see it here. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to prescribe you a steroid to put on your face. Like, let's just stop using everything that you're using. And, I just want you to use this right here. I said, okay, so how do you want me to wash my face? She just looks at me. I'm like, how do you want me to wash my face? Like, how should I wash my face? She's just like, I don't know what you're saying. Do you want me to put water on my face? Am I allowed to use products to wash it off? Like, what do you want me to do? Oh, no, just keep putting it on over and over again. So you want me to just keep putting product over my skin over and over and over again? So you're not, what? Huh? Who? No, that don't even make sense. And so she didn't want to prescribe me what I got the last time, and she only wanted to give me something else. She didn't want to give me the steroid. She was like, you're still going to have to see the dermatologist. No. So I wasn't having it. I didn't want to take no for an answer. When I left, after I had my appointment, I left and I went to go talk to the receptionist. I was like, can I leave a message for my dermatologist? And she was like, yeah. And she was like, well, actually, the PA is going to be in tomorrow. Do you just want to try that? And I'm like, okay, cool. Like, I can try that. And she was like, okay, I can squeeze you in. And I was like, okay, cool. So I was going to try to get squeezed in for tomorrow. And I was just going to let the dermatologist know what happened today and go from there. I get back. They call me like a few hours later. They're just like, hey, can't get you in. You have to try for Wednesday, or you have to try for next week. And I was like, Wednesday's not gonna work for me. Can we try? Okay, do you sure you won't have anything? Like, is there anything I can do? She was like, no. So I told my husband, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm devastated. Like, I'm just tired. Why is this happening? He's like, do you want me to find you another dermatologist? And I'm like, actually, yeah, let's do that. Finds me another dermatologist. I called him up, see if I can get in. I was able to get in today. I went in. I met the guy. He was amazing. He told me what was wrong with my skin, what it's called, what it's going through. He gave me my hydrocortisone. He gave me my Protopic for my skin, and he was just like, hey, this is what it is, this is what you got going on. I'm gonna give you the same thing that happened, that I'm gonna give you the prescribe the same thing that you had last time, because that seemed to work for your skin. And then I was like, hey, like, I'm also having like hormonal acne, and like there's bumps underneath, and like they hurt, they're really hard. He was like, well, you can go on this. And I was like, I don't know if I want to do that. And he was like, okay, you don't have to. I write down the name. You can do your own research, you can see if you want to go from there, but it's pretty standard, it's pretty normal, and it does help with hormonal acne. Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's really just that easy. Thank you. Because why do we make it so hard for people? Like, sometimes they just make it so hard. And it don't got to be that hard. And I just feel like I took my power back, because when my doctor's office was just giving me kind of a hard time, I felt like the doctor was giving me a hard time. And I understand she's doing her job. I understand she's not a dermatologist, but it's like I was already prescribed it. Obviously, if she gave me a steroid for the face, it was for my face. I had it already. It's in my notes. And I just felt like I'm telling her that she didn't have much for me, and she just wasn't giving me much back. I felt like my needs weren't being taken seriously, and she kind of just dismissed them and did what she wanted. And then I'm just like, okay, so like, how do I use it? What do you recommend? How should I use it? She was like, oh, all of that will be on the box. Why are you here? If it was all just on the box, why am I even talking to you? Why am I even talking to you? So that happened. I was irritated. I was mad. My husband was like, okay, let me find another one. I'm like, okay, cool. He does. Went to go to a new person. I like this new person. I will be going there from now on, and I'm happy. So I'm like, dang, like sometimes like you gotta it's okay to have a bad experience and to let that be the last time you have that bad experience and to go somewhere else. And it's really just that simple. And that's how you take your power back. That's how you take your time back. And that's how you get a better experience the next time. Period. I got my needs met. They were taken seriously. He was able to answer other questions that I had regarding other acne and other things, issues that I've been having with my skin. And he was nice. He was great. We had a great conversation, great little key. It was amazing. So 10 out of 10 recommend taking your power back. And when you have a bad experience, let that be that last time and to go on about your life. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get into our first step of the day. As much as I want to show y'all my toes, they crusty. So I'll show y'all my toes when I'm done. Also, I did change my clothes because I got my lady friend and I just couldn't be bothered to be in nothing tight. I need to be in loose. I need to mind my business. So, just so we know, I did change my clothes because I don't like nothing tight when I'm on her. She be like, we're restricted. We got to get up out of here. And I did. So that was nice. You know. Okay, yeah, so I'm just watching little Uche, trying to get my makeup game strong. Hopefully I can, because I want to learn how to do my makeup just better. Like, I feel like I've been doing good, but I've been struggling with a lot of texture this year, and I just feel like my makeup hasn't been coming out good at all. So I definitely do plan on taking a class at Sephora, and we'll definitely be going together. So I'm just under my little thingy, y'all see. So yeah, just waiting. Don't talk about my ashy feet. I know. Yeah, I changed my clothes because my lady friend just popped up on me and I just couldn't be bothered. I don't know if y'all are like this, but I know I am. I do not like being bothered when I'm on my period. Like, I just need to be in nothing restricted, nothing tight. Leave me alone. I can't do it. Hi, friends. It's the next day. I'm not gonna lie. I was supposed to do all of it in one day and I just don't got it for y'all. I really don't. So I'm off to my nail appointment today, and tomorrow I'll be going to go get my eyebrows, and we're gonna stop in New York, but we have a lot of things to do. I ain't gonna lie, it just didn't happen. My period came, and you know, when your lady friend come, you just need a second, and I need a few seconds. But it's still Vlogmas. I still plan on getting a video out every single day, but I did start a little early just so I can make sure I'm on point. So yeah, so this will still be on day 2 maintenance. We're on our way to our nail appointment now to get our nails done. I decided to walk because, you know, I need a good walk, y'all. You know, y'all know I love walking. So going on a cute little walk. Hold on. It's so crazy. Like, I need to learn how to color grade. Just hold on. because this looks crazy. Just crazy. Night and day, literally. So yeah, on my way to get my nails done. Can't wait. When we get there, I'll show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes. If she doesn't mind me filming, I gotta ask her. And then yeah, we'll show her nails in the process. And I'm excited. Just left my nail appointment. It was great. I love my nails. They came out so cute. Let me show you another view. Hold on, y'all. And then sometimes it be trial and error. So my apologies. Okay. Real cute, y'all. Real cute. Can't complain. I like it. So yeah, nails done. Super excited. I need to shave my legs, which I won't do on camera. Hold on, y'all. You know this be washing your girl out. Let me get to some shade. But it's just nice, like having your maintenance appointments. And sometimes I don't think I recognize how much I need a good maintenance appointment, because I just be overwhelmed, stressed out, and not taking care of myself. Like, I really don't be taking care of myself the way that I should be or could be. And I don't like that for me. I really don't. But I feel good doing my nails, getting my nails done, getting my toes done. I'm getting my eyebrows done tomorrow, and I'm going to go, hopefully we can check out that store in Brooklyn that does like perfume oils. I want to see if they do the Sniff Rose Era. So we're gonna go by there, and if they don't do it, I'm gonna see if they can do it. So let's go find out together. Yay. But I'm just excited to just be taking care of myself, because honestly, y'all, I know I keep saying that. That's all I've been saying. 2025 whooped me, okay? She beat me up. She dragged me by my itty bitty edges, and she whooped me. And I just stopped taking care of myself, stopped doing my hair, stopped doing everything, and it feels good. Like, it just feels good. So I can't wait to get my hair done, y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna look good. I just cannot wait to get my hair done. I cannot wait. But yeah, I got my nails done. It feels really good. I got my toes done. I'm going on a nice walk. Like, this feels good. And I'm on my lady friend. Like, what? Your girl's unstoppable. Okay, what? I can do all things. So yeah, I'm excited. I love that for me. I'm gonna finish my walk up, be in my little thoughts, and I'm having a good day, y'all. I really am. Hi friends, it's the next day. I'm on my way to get my eyebrows done. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like once you get your eyebrows done, you just feel so much better, because when they're not done, you just be looking so crazy. Just so crazy. So this is my before. Do you see that? Who you know? Who you know? And I'm into a new girl too. What? She did me justice. These is cute. I ain't even gonna lie. They had the music going. They had the Indian music, the traditional music. He was in there crying on the beat. I was like, this is what I'm talking about. It was a vibe. But I always go to Blooming Brows. I used to go to my girl Faji. Faji wasn't in. She off on Sunday, Monday. So I went to Nadira. Nadira hooked me up. I might be a believer, because I might be going to Nadira now. Because these is cute. You see the face is just different. Like, I look like a person. I look like a real person, y'all. Okay, period. So now we're on our way to the spot in Brooklyn. It's called Medina. And if you're looking for it on Google Maps, it's called Medina Industrial Corporation. And basically there, what they have is they have like all your favorite perfumes, but in oil form. So, you know, I'm not the girl that smells good, but I want to be the girl that smells good. And I feel like in order to be the girl that smells good, I want to enhance the perfumes that already work well with me. So my favorite perfume is Sniff, Rose Era Sniff. Monet McMichael's collab with Sniff. This is my favorite perfume. Every time I wear it, I get compliments. So I'm gonna see if they have the oil for it, and if they can't, can they make it for me? So we're gonna find out if they could do that. And I have this one, which is the Glacier U. I don't know which one this is. Oh, Fleur. This one smells really good on me too. I like this one too. So these two are my favorite. So I'm gonna see if they have the oils of these, and then if they don't, I'm gonna see if they can make them. So that's our next adventure for our maintenance, because smelling good is part of maintenance. Duh. That's the place. Let's see what they got. Oh, it says use other door. Okay. Hi. Hi. So I wanted to see if you guys had these perfumes that I'm looking for. So I have these two. I want to see if you guys sell them in oils.
Rosera. Glossy.
You have this on the floor though?
This one we have.
You have the floor? Can I get that one, the small one? But you guys don't have, can you make this one?
No.
No, you guys can't make them? No. Can't make them. It's really nice. Like, this is a nice place. It's nice and clean. It's nice. I like it. So they did have the Glacier U. It smelled good. I think it's the original, though it's not the floor, but I think it'll pair well together. So I am going to pair it together and see how it goes. And it smells really good. And they couldn't do the Rose Era Sniff, which I'm so sad about. I freaking love it. I just want Sniff to come out with a rollerball, or Sniff to come out with a lotion, something. Just something, please, Sniff, please. We just need it. We need more things in that scent, because I just love it so much. But yeah, they were super nice and they're super friendly, super clean. Definitely, if you're in Brooklyn, I will go check it out. Like, I will go check it out. It's cool. Like, they have a whole bunch of scents, like a whole bunch of things. Like, I'll insert a video of it that I took, and it's nice in there. So I'm excited. Right now, we're headed over to Dominic Ansel to go get their cronut flavor of the month for December. And it's, I think it's a brownie ganache. It's like a chocolate and brownie ganache with, no, it's a chocolate brownie flavor. This one, you gotta pull your phone out. Let me stop lying to y'all. Dominique. Okay, cronut. What is the flavor? It is a brownie batter and coffee ganache flavor. That sounds real good to me. So that's what we'll be eating, and I'll probably get something else. So when we go in there, I'll show you guys everything, and we'll go do that. I don't think I've recorded going to Dominic Ansel like several different times, but I've never posted a vlog. Ew. I never posted a vlog, so you guys will see it. I love that place. It's my favorite place. And when they have a good flavor, I'm like, yeah, let me go make my way to Brooklyn so I can go get it. So since I wanted that flavor, it's December, it's festive, it's Vlogmas. I got my eyebrows done at Blooming Brows, which is my favorite place to go get my eyebrows done. But I live in Philly, it's in Brooklyn. But it's still, if you're in Brooklyn and you see this, Blooming Brows, that's the best place to go get your eyebrows done. $7. Real easy, simple, cute, and they do a great job. Like, my brows look amazing. So yeah. Anyways, we're on our way to Dominic Ansel. I'll check back in when we get there. We got the goods. I'm excited. This is what it looks like. It's like really coffee. Like, you could taste the coffee on it. But it's good. I like it. Not my favorite. Last month's was really good. This is good though. I like it. I like trying something new, so it's okay. It's not my favorite though. Alright y'all, that's day 2 of my maintenance vlog for Vlogmas. And we're all done. The nails are done. The eyebrows are done. The toes are done. Tomorrow we'll be checking back in to go get my hair washed and conditioned and get a treatment on it. And that'll be day 3 Vlogmas. So I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Bye!